In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your account in Exness. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and then hover on the left side panel. Click the Settings tab. There is a drop-down menu and I want you to click the Security. Before we begin, make sure you withdraw any remaining funds, close all active trades, save any important trading history or documents. Now, you may notice under the device and account security, there is an option here that says Terminate Exness Personal Area. This is the same option as deleting your account because Exness does not usually provide a direct delete account button inside the dashboard. But the Terminate Exness Personal Area functions the same way. As you can see, this action cannot be undone and you need to make sure all of the data has been checked, all the funds has been withdrawn because this is irreversible. If you are sure about deleting your account, click the continue button. Okay? Otherwise, if you're still having problems deleting your account or Exness, what I want you to do instead is click the chat icon on the bottom right corner. Of course, start a new chat and provide your concern on the support team. Tell them you are having problems deleting your account or Exness, and of course, they will provide you steps on how to fix it. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to delete your account here in Exness. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.